Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check where the places where you've been logged in from on your Facebook. So in order to do this, let's click on these three lines in the top right corner of our screen. Move to the settings by pressing on this gear icon. Now let's go for passwords and security. Right here there'll be option for where you've been logged in, see all, and you'll be able to see all list of devices and the places from where somebody logged in or you logged in to this account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.